Segment 7, Grace, Teacher and Role Model. Grace Bumba grew up in a small rural village in Niger State, Nigeria.
This is where I did my primary school. Very interesting. Let me show you my class. So these were my class then. Then there were no chairs. These are new chairs. We sit in the floor then.
Despite the difficult conditions, Grace was actually one of the lucky ones. In Nigeria, millions of children do not go to school, and more than half of these are girls.
You know, in some places, especially even in our place, girl child education is very difficult. So they always want a woman to be at home, cooking, and when she reaches some even 14, 15 years, they will send her to her husband's house and not achieving anything.
This is something Grace wanted to change.
When a woman is educated, even her children, she will fight for her children too to be educated. When you are educated, you know how to take care of your family, you know how to take care of your children, you know what is good and what is bad.
Grace was determined to go to school, and unlike other parents in the community, Grace's father supported her.
makaranta yana da kyau wani jefe zai gani yafi wani maza wani lokaci baka taba ganin wani maki an ce wani yana zai shugaban kasa ba to me ilimi ne ya bata yawa.
Since it's even by my father's power that I complete my secondary school because he likes education.
Grace wanted to take her education further. Having finished secondary school, she dreamt of going to college. She found out about a scholarship program for young women to train as teachers.
You know opportunity comes but once. You just have to use that opportunity with two hands. So that's just it. They wanted us to be educated so that we can come back to our locality to teach other students.
Grace applied for the scholarship and passed the entrance exam. Her new husband gave his full support to her plans.
Two good heads is better than one. So the way she learned it there, it may be different with one that we are doing here. So maybe she may bring a new system of what she learned there to bring it to our village.
In 2010, Grace began her first year at the College of Education in Minna, the capital of Niger State.
At the beginning, things were a little bit difficult because you have to run to get a seat for your lecture. You know, as I was pregnant, you know, but I struggle and everything comes successful. I thank God for that.
While in college, Grace gave birth to her daughter and carried on with her studies.
What I enjoy best about the school is their lecture.
Her community and her mother were looking forward to her return.
Muna jin daɗi sosai saboda ya gane makaranta saboda ni kuma ina yi dariya sosai yawa.
And Grace was determined to get back to her village to start making a difference.
You know, children, they are our tomorrow's leader. I will fight for the rights of those girls. It's their right to go to school. I'm going to come back with full force.
It's been 3 years since Grace left, and now she's back.
So I came back to the community as promised. I am very satisfied being in my community, teaching I'll call them my younger ones. Yes, they deserve it. My vision is to encourage them, is to be a great role model to them.
She's not only a role model for the girls and boys in her school, she's changing parents' ideas about education.
I was received well by my community, but the challenges that I was having was our mothers, they don't like sending their girls to school. When I see a girl that she's up to the age to come to school and her parents are depriving her of coming to the school, I do go to their house and explain to the parents. I face some challenges, but with time, they will allow her to come.
Grace's husband continues to support her work.
The impact that she has made, she keep on mobilizing children, following home by home, parent by parent, door by door, to show them this is what the school is all about.
As Grace is from this community, she knows the challenges that parents and children face, and she uses her experience to help others. She now has 2 children of her own and is determined that all children in their generation will get a good education. By returning to her community as a teacher, she is inspiring others to follow in her footsteps. Even the village leader is happy to have her home.
A lokacin da muke ciki, Grace yake taimaka mamu da koyarwa da yake yi ma yara makaranta. A gurin kuwa yana taimaka ma jama'a.
Ilimin da yana noma har wayo na roƙon Allah ya sai a bayanta ta ci gaba da ilimin. Shawarar kenan da zan ba Grace. Shawarar da zan ba su ƴan wan don Allah duk wanda yana duhu ya fito a waje ya kawo yaranta a makaranta. Ko maza ne ko mace ne, iyaye mu yi kokari a tura yara makaranta, ilimi yana da kyau.
The food part that I want to leave in this community is that I want to put education in every child's mind. That it is education supposed to be the first thing. So that's the food part that I want to leave in this community. Yes, a woman that loves education.